Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to use portfolios to simplify the management of a group of current or planned projects. A portfolio is a collection of projects organized together for a particular purpose. For example, all projects handled by the marketing team can be grouped under one portfolio. Let's start by going to the company settings. Click on your name in the bottom left corner, select Company Settings, and choose Advanced Settings. Scroll through the list and make sure the toggle for Show Portfolios is turned on. Next, in the left panel, click on the Portfolio tab. Here, based on your permissions, you can add and manage portfolios. To add a new portfolio, click the plus sign here. You can enter details like the name, description, and specify whether it's a parent or child portfolio. To create a nested structure, first select a portfolio, then choose a parent portfolio from the list. You can also add members and manage their permissions by clicking the gear icon next to their names. On this screen, you'll see a list of all your portfolios, and you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find them. Now back to the Activity Center, you can add the portfolio details to a project. Click on the project details, and next to the suitcase icon, you will find the option to choose a portfolio name. The great thing about adding a portfolio is that it allows you to filter and group your projects based on portfolios. Attaching a project to a portfolio also makes it easier to report on the entire portfolio, as data rolls up to give you a complete view. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorials.